how to create an AI image using CapCut PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to create an interesting AI image using your CapCut PC, then here's what you need to do. So first thing, simply open up your CapCut application on your PC and make sure you are currently logged into your account so that you can continue using such effects or filters even after you close the application. And from over here you just have to head over to this section that is create with AI. So simply click on this option over here after coming to your home screen of your CapCut application. And once you're inside here, if you are on your private networks, you may as well need to allow access, so make sure to do that so that firewall will not block some of the features of this application. And once you're on this interface, you can basically describe the image you are imagining currently, just like you do on any of the AI image generation website. Now once you provide your prompt, you can even upload an image from over here. You can just tap on this send button just like you used to do on ChatGPT, and you just have to wait for a few seconds until it generates your imaginary thought or imaginary image based on the prompt you provided. So you can also actually create or choose the resolution of the image that you want, that you are currently generating, and it will currently provide at least 4 different pictures or images based on the prompt you provided. So you can even edit your prompt over here, or you can always click on regenerate to regenerate new images if you don't like the current one. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.